Introduction. Dive into Japan's underground marvel. Welcome, explorers of the extraordinary. Today, we're diving deep, literally, into one of the most mind-blowing engineering marvels on the planet. Japan's biggest water tunnel, the Metropolitan Area Outer Underground Discharge Channel, or GCAN's project. This isn't just a tunnel, it's a massive underground fortress built to protect Tokyo from devastating floods. Imagine a flood-fighting cathedral buried beneath the earth. If you're fascinated by mega projects, engineering wonders, or how humans fight back against nature, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you never miss out on more jaw-dropping discoveries like this. Let's dive in. 1. The need for the tunnel. A battle against water. Tokyo, one of the most advanced cities on Earth, is also one of the most flood-prone. With over 37 million people living in the metro area, even a single storm can turn deadly. Every year, typhoons, heavy rains, and overflowing rivers slam the region, threatening homes, trains, and lives. The city's rapid urban growth only makes things worse: more concrete, less soil, and nowhere for water to go. Flashback to the past. Major floods in the 1950s, 60s, and 70s caused huge destruction. Roads turned into rivers. Neighborhoods vanished under muddy water. Lives were lost. The cost: billions. The government knew it was time to act. Japan needed more than just sandbags. It needed a bold, futuristic solution. A flood-fighting system that could take on nature's fury. And that's how the idea for the world's largest underground flood control system was born. 2. Engineering the giant. Building a monster beneath Tokyo. Get ready, because what lies beneath Tokyo is nothing short of legendary. The GCAN's project isn't just a tunnel. It's a colossal underground labyrinth, a stormwater superhighway built to tame the wrath of nature. Let's break down the beast. Location: Saitama Prefecture, just north of Tokyo. Depth: dug 50 meters, that's 16 stories. Underground. Length: the main tunnel stretches over 6.3 kilometers. Silos: 5 gigantic vertical shafts, each 65 meters tall and 32 meters wide, big enough to swallow a space shuttle. Main chamber: a concrete coliseum called the Underground Parthenon, 177 meters long, 78 meters wide, and 18 meters high. It's so massive, you could drive a Boeing 747 inside. Powering this monster: a set of 14,000 horsepower pumps that can shoot 200 tons of water per second into the Edo River, keeping the surface dry and safe. Timeline: construction kicked off in 1992 and wrapped up in 2006. That's 14 years of digging, designing, and daring. No shortcuts, no mistakes, just precision Japanese engineering at its most badass. 3. How it works. The underground defense system in action. Alright, so how does this mega machine actually stop floods? Buckle up, because the process is genius. Step 1. Rainfall chaos begins. When typhoons or heavy rains hit, rivers like the Nakagawa, Otakemoto, and Kurimatsu start rising fast. Water levels spike. Flood alarms go off. Step 2. Floodwater gets diverted. Instead of flooding streets and homes, the excess water is sucked into 5 giant silos, like huge bathtubs, strategically placed along the flood-prone rivers. Step 3. Into the tunnel. From the silos, the water flows into the 6.3 kilometers underground tunnel, moving safely away from crowded areas. It's like a hidden escape route for dangerous water. Step 4. The Underground Parthenon takes over. All that water rushes into the main pressure-adjusting tank, a gigantic chamber built to absorb shock and control flow. It's calm, silent, and powerful, like a water temple in a sci-fi movie. Step 5. Pump it out. Then come the turbo pumps, each one strong enough to fill an Olympic pool in under a minute. These machines launch the floodwater straight into the Edo River, far from populated areas. Real-world success. During heavy storms, this system can reduce water levels by up to 80%, preventing countless homes from going underwater. It's silent, it's invisible, and when Tokyo sleeps, this underground guardian is wide awake. 4. Impact and legacy. A city saved, a world inspired. The GCAN's project isn't just concrete and steel, it's a lifesaver. Millions protected. Since its completion, the system has prevented dozens of major floods. Neighborhoods that used to drown during heavy rains now stay safe and dry. Over 13 million people in the Tokyo metro area benefit from its protection. Billions saved. By stopping floods before they start, GCANs has saved billions in damage to homes, businesses, subways, and roads. It's like having a city-sized insurance policy, hidden underground. Global attention. Engineers, architects, and city planners from around the world travel to Japan to witness this marvel. From New York to Jakarta, it's inspired new ideas in urban flood control and disaster management. More than machinery, believe it or not, GCANs has become a tourist attraction. You can walk through the massive main chamber on a guided tour. It feels like stepping into a sci-fi movie set. It's even featured in films, documentaries, and anime. A legacy of preparedness. Japan didn't just build a tunnel. They built a message. The future belongs to those who prepare. In a world facing climate change and extreme weather, the GCANs project stands as a blueprint for survival. 5. Conclusion. A hidden giant that protects millions. Deep beneath the streets of Tokyo lies a silent guardian, an underground colossus that stands between chaos and safety. The GCANs project isn't just the biggest water tunnel in Japan. It's a symbol of what's possible when vision, science, and courage come together. While the world above goes on with its daily routine, this concrete beast below is always ready to fight back against floods, storms, and disaster. So the next time you see rain falling in Tokyo, remember, there's a superstructure below the surface, working 24/7 to keep millions safe. Unseen, unheard, but absolutely unstoppable. If this inspired you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more epic stories about the world's greatest engineering marvels. Stay curious, stay prepared, and keep exploring the hidden power beneath our feet.